Rahman Rahim. Hi guys, this is Aziz Satar and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to resize many images to send to client for a feedback or any change. I have made book list from playgroup to grade 10 and I want to send to the client, but the size of book lists are very large. I will write the name of client, subject, book list. Then I will attach all the files. It takes a lot of time. See this. It takes a lot of time. How to get rid of this issue means they are made on high resolution. How to get rid of this issue? Come on to the solution. Open the book list in Photoshop. All the book list, but I am doing fast. Go to Windows, Actions, make a new action, rename it resize, record. Now go to image size 1200, height will automatically selected. OK, file, save as, and save this file in small folder. JPG, yes, JPG. OK, now close this. Now play this action. For all pictures. Now go to small folder and check the files are. See this. These files are resized. Now you can easily send this to your client for checking or for feedback. Small, Control A. Look at this. Look at this speed. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, then like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.